So today we are going to learn another way by which we can create an amazing intro slide, or in this video we are also going to learn how to create a flying butterfly. Alright, so here I've already created a blank slide with the black color as its background, and I've already inserted two butterflies. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit. Yes, now I have this golden butterfly. I'm going to double click. So automatically this picture format is going to open. I'll go to the picture effect. I'll go to the glow option. I'm going to select this kind of glow, but I don't like this color. So for that, I will go to the glow. I'll go to the more glow options. I'm going to select this eyedropper and I'm going to choose this kind of glow. Perfect. Isn't it beautiful? Now in the next option, I'm going to give it some animations. So I'll go to the animation. In the animation, add animation, grow and shrink. I'll open the animation pane, and in the drop down menu, start with previous, drop down menu, effect options, and in the size, I'm going to select horizontal. I'm going to select the auto reverse option. In the timing, I'm going to select until end of slide. That's it. Now the duration, I want to reduce the duration to be only 0.5 seconds. Let's have a preview. See? Oh, perfect. As if the butterfly is flying. Okay, so similar effect we'll give to this butterfly also. So let's select the same effect, double click, the picture effect, the glow option. I'll give it this kind of glue, but the color, we'll go to glue option, more glue colors, more glue colors, eyedropper, and I'm going to select a little bit this color. Perfect, looking very beautiful. Now let's reduce its size a little bit. Now, in the next step, I am going to insert the text. So here is my text box, and here I'm going to insert my text box, and let's just adjust its size. And in this text box, I'm going to write life of butterfly. Yep. Now the color of the text is blue, so we need to change it to the white. All right. Yes, now I'm going to increase the size. Butterfly. Okay, let's reduce a little bit. We forgot to add life cycle. Now it's perfect. Life cycle of butterfly. Okay, now the next step. What am I going to do? I'll again go to the shape format. All right. And in the shape format, the shape outline is going to be no outline. Shape outline, it is going to be no outline. That's it, it's selected. I want some effect. I want to give it some reflection. So I'll go for this one. Now here, I'll go to format text effects. Let's give it some 3D effect. Let's increase the points. Yeah, 20 points and height to 15. Alright, perfect. Exactly, this is the kind of text I want. Okay, now in the next step, I'll again go to the home. I'm going to select this gold option. Right? Beautiful, and a little bit this effect. Perfect. All right, now in the next option, what do I want? I want to give some more animations, so I will go to the animation. I am going to select the animation pane. Okay, now this butterfly is already flying. Okay, and it is until the end of the slide. Now what do I have to do in the next? I'm going to reduce its size a little bit, and I'm going to shift it to this side. Okay, Now I will go again to the add animations. I'm going to select this custom path, and for the custom path I'm going to select the path. Okay, like this. The butterfly will follow this path and then it's going to land here. And don't forget to press double click. And it's moving a little faster. Yes, so let's increase the duration and adjust the butterfly a little bit over here. Then let's increase the duration to 8 seconds. Let's have a preview. Now it is perfect. Excellent. So it will happen with previous. Alright, now in the next step, I'm going to give some animation to our text. And what kind of animation? So animation basically is going to be the vibe, but not from the bottom, from the left hand side. So this is going to be the left hand side. And let's just increase the time to 2 seconds. Okay, perfect. And when it is going to happen? After previous. So start after previous. Alright, so as soon as the text appears, I want these butterfly to appear. But first of all, we have to make them fly. So add animation, grow and shrink. Alright, and in the drop down menu, start after previous. In the drop down menu, in the effect options, I'll go to the size, only the horizontal, right? Auto reverse. Timing is going to be repeat until end of slide. Perfect. And the duration is going to be 0.5, right? Perfect. Now I also want this butterfly to appear. So I'm going to add animation, I'm going to make it appear. Alright, and let's move this above this one, and it is going to happen start after previous, and this is going to happen start with previous. Alright, now let's reduce the size of this butterfly a little bit, and by pressing the Ctrl D, let's make some copies. And place them at random places. Alright, now let's change the size. And there's one more butterfly. Let's place it over here. And place it slightly. Now in the next step, I'm going to select from this and I'm going to take it down. Select all the pictures and I'll click on the drop down menu and I'm going to select start with previous. Okay, now let's have a final preview of this slide. Beautiful.